Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Blockly scripts on Codecademy. So what it says right here, Cody has to move pretty far this time. Well, we could just load up a ton of function A's with a lot of blocks and call it multiple times. Let's try to make whatever that means. So what we got to do here is we're going to take this and we're going to go ahead and do move right. Now if we were to do 3, we'd have to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They won't quite make it. So we could try 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That would not work. Last option is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would work. And we're going to go ahead and put this one right here. Let's go ahead and click run. And you're going to see that he is moving in a place that we want. So he's not working because we only did this one once. Now, we could of course just pop in 10 of these, but you can see we only have 3 blocks left, so that's not possible. We have to go ahead and stack that again. Let's click run and see if it works this time. So you can see right here, he reached the goal, and that was a simple lesson. Hopefully you find this useful, and hope to see you in another video about this. Bye!